Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of vectors in R2. So find a single vector equivalent to each of the following. So we have to simplify these vector expressions. So let's start with part A. So the first step is to distribute the scalar 2 into the vector. So we'll multiply each component in the vector by 2. So we get 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 and 2 times 3 is 6 plus the other vector. Now we can add these two vectors. So we'll add the x components and the y components. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is the single vector equivalent to the given expression in part A. Now we can analyze part B. So in part B, in the first part, we'll have to distribute negative 3 into the vector. So we'll multiply both components by negative 3. And in the second vector, we'll distribute 9. So we'll multiply both components by 9. So let's start with the first vector. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And negative 3 times negative 9 is 27. Minus 9 times 2 is 18. And 9 times 3 is 27. Now we have to subtract these vectors. So for that we'll subtract the x components and y components. So negative 12 minus 18 is equal to negative 30. And 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. So this is the single vector equivalent to the expression given in part B. So now we can analyze part C. So in part C, we have to distribute the scalar negative 1 over 2 into the vector. So we'll multiply both components by negative 1 over 2. And in the second vector, we'll multiply both components by the scalar 2 over 3. So we can show our steps because here we are multiplying by fraction. So this is what we get for the first vector. And this is what we get for the second vector. Now we can start with the first vector. We can simplify the components. So negative half times 6 is equal to negative 3. So the 2 and the 6 can be reduced to just 3. And then negative half times 2 will be positive 1. So since both terms are negative, the product will be a positive term. And 2 over 3 times 6 will be equal to 4 because 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And 2 over 3 times 15 is equal to 10 because if we multiply these terms, so 2 times 15 is 30 and 30 divided by 3 is 10. Now we can add these vectors. So we'll add their x components and y components. So negative 3 plus 4 is 1 and 1 plus 10 is 11. So this should be the final answer for part C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.